So today we're going to be removing a handguard from a SIGM400. I got this new aluminum handguard from Tech Sports on eBay for about 20 bucks. They're out in Chino, California. I have to give these guys some credit. I actually ordered the wrong one first, and then they canceled my order and sent me the right one. No questions asked, which was awesome. So if you guys are going to get one, I definitely recommend looking them up on eBay. So what we're going to do is, first off, obviously, you want to check and make sure your gun is unloaded, since you might be somewhat pointing this toward yourself while taking off this handguard. Last thing you want to do is have a mistake or an accident, and yeah, you can pretty much guess what could happen from there. So I'm gonna set this phone down. Had to put a blanket on the table here, else my wife will kill me. She already wanted to kill me when I bought this gun in the first place. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to pull down on this here, and that should allow this to pop up, and this one to pop back. So ultimately you can take this stock plastic handguard off. So we're going to try that right now. A little easier if you had two people doing this, but there's the first one. Takes a little bit of work, as you can see. But if you had a second person to help you, it'd be much easier. Damn. I'm sure I won't be the only one having problems getting this off. There we go. Just like that. 1, 2. Now we're going to install the new handguard. Take this guy apart. Oh, looks like I need a bigger Allen wrench. But anyways, basically what you do is you unbolt this here. Make sure you've got your gas little spot here on the top, so you're not going to bend or destroy your gas flow tube here. And then put that on, tighten her up, and you should be good to go. But anyways, that's how you take your old handguard off into SIGM400 and put on your new one. Thanks.